Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to back up iPhone for iOS 26. So basically iPhone have recently launched their latest iOS version, iOS 26. Now if you want to download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone, but before this you want to back up your data. So how you can do that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So there are many methods to back up your data. So we will discuss one of the favorite methods. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to check whether you have enough storage so that you can download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone. For this you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply check for the iPhone storage. But if you do not have any enough storage, then you have to back up your storage. For this what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to simply click on iCloud option. Because in iCloud only 5 GB of the space is free. So if you want to get more space in iCloud, so you have to upgrade to iCloud Plus. So for this you have to simply provide your payment method, and after that you can simply select one of the methods like 50 GB or 200 GB. And also there are options for 2 terabytes, TB options. And after that you can simply select any of the option, and you can simply turn on the iCloud backup on your iPhone. For this you have to simply click on the iCloud backup, and after that you have to simply turn this off or back up this iPhone, and after that your iPhone will be backed up. And after that you are free to download and install your iOS 26 on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.